So Bob here, I think, really could use to become a ninja. So what we're going to do is give him a ninja bandana to celebrate his newfound ability to roam around our world and look in two different directions. I feel like that is a very important skill for our ninja to be able to do. So let's go into Game Object, create 3D Object, and I'm going to create a cylinder. From there, I'm going to shrink it down a little bit. Nice. And we're going to go in here. We'll go into our prototype materials and we'll make that a nice shiny black. Lovely. Liking it. Rename that bandana. And we will marry that to our player. So it's now a child of the player, which means it should follow him around. Test it. Yep. His bandana does follow him around. Sweet. Now we're going to go into Game Object, Effect. We're going to hit Trail. And our trail we'll attach to our player. Let's see what happens. Look at that. We can see him wisping away. However, as cool as this does look, it's just makes it a massive thing. So I could go around, and a bandana is pretty cool when it's long, but it doesn't need to be that long. So let's mess with this a little bit, make it so it's a bit nicer. So over in here we can adjust all of the settings for it. First thing I'm going to do is go into the materials and give it a nice dark material. And then we can adjust its width over time. So if I bring this down here to 0.5, I will make it just a little bit thinner. You can see also it makes it dark, starting to look more like a ninja. Cool. We can make it shorter by going all the way down to time. And let's say, and this is the time that it takes for the bandana to start disappearing. So let's make that half a second. That way it won't be too ridiculously long. Nice. Cool. Starting to look better. Let's give it a fade of our bandana. Trail. I'll double click on this little timeline here to get a new dot. I'll bring it down like that. Now we'll be able to see it slowly fade away as it's going. That's a little bit too much fade. There we go, looks a bit stretched, which is kind of cool. I'm going to get even more fancy. I'm going to move this guy just a little bit to the left. And I'm going to duplicate him with that guy just a bit to the right. See what that looks like. Nice. Officially have a ninja bandana. Now, how you make your character is completely up to you. This is just a suggestion and a cool feature that you can find. However, remember, make your game based off of what you think you would want it to look like. My game at the moment is called Quest for the Eternal Dragon, so it kind of has an Asian feel to it. So making this guy a ninja kind of makes sense to me. However, if you want to make him have a crown, if you want to make him have something that is like a gigantic clown hat or a party or anything like that, that's totally up to you. You can make this guy be whatever you want. I'm just going to finish this out by naming these a little bit better. So this is the right bandana. So right trail. This is the left trail. Nice. And there you have it. We have a player that can move in whatever direction we want, as well as we can rotate around and look at different things within our world. And he's got some cool bling. Next we'll be going into how to add health so that the player Bob here can end up getting hurt as well as getting a little bit of extra health to help boost him around. And with that, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give a like and a subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.